You've been thinking about taking Tongkat Ali for more testosterone, energy, and libido? Well, before you pop the pill, let's break down the real pros and cons of this powerful herb. It is a powerful herb. Actually, I'm doing this video because a few of my followers have been asking me about, this herb. Hey, G, you gotta make some more libido videos. So, so Tongkat it's a great herb, no buts. Let's talk about the benefits. It does boost your testosterone. Studies show it can increase free testosterone by up to 37%. It does enhance libido and erectile function, more desire, better performance. It does reduce cortisol, less stress, so you'll sleep better, you have a better mood profile. It supports muscle growth. It helps with strength, fat loss, and recovery after the gym. It improves sperm health and sperm production, right? Your sperm have more mobility. It's good for fertility support in men. But before you take it, watch out for some possible side effects. Insomnia and restlessness, especially if you take it late in the day, or you're taking high doses. Increased heart rate and anxiety can overstimulate your nervous system, right? That can cause irritability, especially if you're a coffee drinker, it doesn't go well with coffee. It can cause stomach discomfort, especially if you take it on an empty stomach. It can cause a testosterone overload if you already have, high T and you're just trying to get an extra punch. Got to be careful, right? In my mind, you have to dose properly. Be smart, like 200 to 400 milligrams, maybe for 4 or 5 days, and then you take 2 or 3 days off. So, should you take Tongkat Ali by itself? I mean, you can, but in my opinion, for best results, you want to stack it with other herbs and supplements and rotate it with other things to maximize the results and minimize, the downsides. Actually, I'm working on a formula myself, actually. I'll come out with a video in a couple of days. A more complete regimen. So you're not just taking one herb, but you're taking it in conjunction. You're stacking it with other herbs and teas, so you have a better result, a safer result. So stay tuned for that, and yeah, don't run out and buy Tongkat Ali yet, but just be aware of it, and we'll talk about it more in the next coming days. Follow for more health tips.